Oh, I'm sorry. Do you make the fucking rules?
Wait a minute. We're leaving. We're leaving. Goodbye.
Goodbye, kitty.
Goodbye. We're leaving. Oh my goodness. We're leaving.
I'll do right now.
Oh, I told you to get ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you ready?
I'm fucking ready, boy. Let's get this fucking drive over.
You sure you're ready?
No.
It's a long drive.
Fucking,
Yeah. I'm gonna give it about
10 hour drive.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it about 4 hours, and I'm gonna be like, I immediately regret this.
You can kiss my ass.
You're stupid. Bye FRS, S2K, mom car.
Other FRS. You can't see it. Steven will not let me get a crispy taco for $1.
Hello.
You won't let me get a taco for $1.
Burger King tacos?
Yeah.
I don't think that's a good idea. Rest stop numero uno. Just talking to Taylor. How about hers?
It's pee time.
No way that's accurate. There's no way. How? Say it again, just like that.
I can't do it.
Say it.
This is our country.
Oh my god. What is this, stop number 3?
Yeah.
Stop number 3, car's holding up. You look like you're having a great time, Tucker.
I'm having an amazing time.
An amazing time.
If anybody tells you that 10-hour drives are not fun, they are completely and utterly true.
What are we doing?
Checking into the hotel.
Waiting on
Tucker.
Uncle Tuck Tuck. Finally got to the hotel casino thing, and it's weird.
I'm ready to not be in a car.
Is it 10 and a half hours?
Yeah.
Ish?
My eyes are watering.
Please. Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
What's up, fella?
No smoking in the hotel.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you make the fucking rules?
Oh my god.
Winter flowers. Turn back. I see.
Yo.
Yeah.
Maybe we should vlog.
Yeah, that's what
What I'm
she's doing.
doing.
The vlogging.
Hello. We here.
Should we
We in Philly, boys.
vlog? Elise.
We're walking. Walking in downtown Philly.
So, finally met up downtown.
Yep, finally met up downtown.
After
all your car parts.
a 3-hour drive to Jersey to meet up with Bobby, Instagram link there, maybe. Got some cool car shit.
Bobby's dope.
Now we're gonna go get vape juice and Philly cheesesteaks.
Philly cheesesteaks, because you gotta get a Philly cheesesteak in Philly.
Dude, look at that. That's nuts.
Look at some massive buildings. The architecture and structural everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Main Street we drove down.
He knows.
He knows.
What? Oh my god. Kiss it. Give it a kiss.
No, no, no. Very dirty. Disgusting.
Yo.
Okay, which one do I look at?
God damn it.
I'm videoing.
I know you're videoing.
Sorry.
Same equal length distance. Last moose knuckle.
This has only just begun. In the end, time forever favors the young.
You're doing this. You got us into this mess.
I'm committed. Committed.
It's kind of ugly.
Talk and then watch you
Yeah, it
come
was
out.
gonna be like that.
Oh my god. Wow, that is really cool. That's actually a really good view. That's a really good view.
Damn right it is. Shoulder like $1,000 plate, fine china.
So, we got Philly cheesesteaks in Philly.
And it was amazing.
I feel accomplished.
Very accomplished.
Stop. Very infected penis. Oh, no.
Get elephantitis. Elephantitis.
It is 11 at night on Friday, but now I'm waiting for Tucker to get here. We got separated. Just got done washing the cars and getting some pictures done. If I can get their Instagrams and stuff, I'll link them down below. But we are stopping to get some microfibers because we don't have anything. Oh my god. He's lost. Anyway, so we're grabbing some microfibers and stuff. Grab some snacks for tomorrow, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel. Here he is, a little bitch. Left our cleaning supplies. This is the brightest Walmart.
Prostate exams in aisle 5.
It's the brightest Walmart I've ever been in.
Hey. Dude, there's so many dope cars just in this hotel parking
Cars
lot.
over there. This is where we're staying. At a casino thingy. Hey.
No,
No. We're finally here. Hey, Tucker!
Wait in line.
It's now 9:30. Wiping down and detailing both parts. Starting to fill up. This place is huge, man. Today's gonna be a good day. It's the new carbon hood. Finally got it on. Good video. Smashing!
I love him.
Tucker. Do it. Smashing! I'm out of memory again because I'm a cheap bastard and I can't. Why are you doing this?
I think you look good.
Thank you.
This is what I see.
You see all the
I see straight up your
nose hairs?
Holy shiitake.